Alright, let's install this awesome new daytime running light kit. First, pop open the front trunk. Remove the air intake trim panel. Then unscrew the 4 bolts holding the tow hook cover. Disconnect the plug behind it, and now you can lift the frunk liner right out. Next, unplug the connector from the factory daytime running light and remove the 4 screws securing it. Take the stock DRL out. And remove the 2 blue clips from it. Grab your new DRL assembly and snap those blue clips onto it. Now, install the new daytime running light back onto the car. Line up the blue clip positions and press it in gently until it clicks. Grab the power harness, connect one end to the factory plug and the other end to the new DRL connector. The side closer to the control box plugs into the DRL wiring. Once everything's connected, run the power extension cable to the 12V battery. Make sure the vehicle power is off before you connect it. This one's already done here. After that, tidy up and hide all the wiring neatly. Peel off the last bit of protective film. Turn on the headlights and check that the DRLs light up properly. Once everything's working, reinstall the front panel. Reconnect the tow hook cover. Tighten the 4 bolts. And snap the air intake trim back into place. And that's it. Your new daytime running lights are installed and looking amazing.